Hello friends, welcome to the channel Discover Apps with me. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat messages not sending. First of all, you have to open the Snapchat app and you have to open your chat history. You might seen the notification of pending or messages not delivered here. The major reason of this is your poor internet connection. If you have a poor internet connection, you will have to make a stable internet connection first. Therefore, for sending messages, the first thing you should keep in mind that your internet connection is stable. The second reason is the cache in the Snapchat app. You have to clear the cache. For this, you have to come back and click on the profile icon at the top. There you can see the settings icon or a gear icon at the top. Click on it, scroll down. There you can see the option of clear cache. Click on it and click on the continue icon. There you can see that all the cache is successfully cleared. But if still you can't be able to send messages, you have to come back and uninstall the Snapchat and reinstall it from Play Store. After this, you will be able to send or receive messages to anyone and your all the problem is solved. I hope you like the video. If you have any question, please mention in the comment and don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.